in Japan, there are these car parks where you put the car in and it swallows your car up and it disappears. And then you put your money in and they give you your car back and it reappears. I always wondered where the car goes because the building's not that big, right? But the car goes somewhere. So we're going to go figure it out. I'm pretty sure they're not going to let us be in the driver's seat, so somebody's going to have to hide in the back.
Yep.
And take some videos.
Yep.
So I think we're in the clear now. The car's stopped moving, but it is pitch black down here, man. I didn't expect it to be this dark. I thought they'd have some sort of light on, but I cannot see a thing, man. Like I can't even see my hand in front of my face. And I don't want to turn a light on or torch on because, you know, they might have cameras down here for that kind of thing. So I'm just kind of like sitting here in the dark and waiting for Jun to come back, I suppose. And God, I hope he comes back. Right, here we go. We're pulling in. Got a middle-aged man. Middle-aged Japanese man doing it for us. The problem was with the first one, as you see, it was completely black.
Yes, inside it's too dark.
So we went and we got our torch. So we're trustworthy vehicle exporters. We always have torches. Interesting. It's on a turntable, right?
Yes, yes.
Oh, here we go. We're spinning around. Woo! The light's working well.
Yeah.
This is good. This is good. We're gonna see finally what the inside.
Yeah, we did it.
What the inside of an underground automated parking machine is. Going down. The floor's given way.
Wow. Amazing.
Alright. Spin us around. Good view of the wall. We've gone down 2 floors.
Yeah, I think so. 2 or 3.
And we're moving to the left, so we're getting out of the way. And we've stopped. We've stopped. Jun. We've stopped and we're looking at a wall. And I have a feeling this is where we're going to be stuck for the next 20 minutes. Oh no, we're still moving.
Oh yeah.
Come on. We're still looking at a wall. We are very disappointed.
Yeah.
Very disappointed.
We thought it must be fun, but what do you feel?
Is it even worth putting it on YouTube?
Yeah, we have to show the truth to our audience.
Not everything goes to plan, even on YouTube. If we can get 1 subscriber out of this, then I'll be happy.
Yep.
Yeah. Subscribe.
Please.
Yeah.